Hello and welcome back to Ottershaw Cacti. I'm Lottie and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to propagate your sedums. But firstly, what are sedums? Sedums are a genus of plant that contain many succulents. Succulent is a plant that stores water in its leaves and stems but like its roots to sit dry. These are low maintenance, genuinely low growing and often trailing. But you can get some upright varieties too. You can propagate sedums using two very easy methods. Number 1, stem cuttings, and number 2, leaf cuttings. Using a sharp, clean pair of secateurs, cut a healthy stem about 3 to 5 inches long. Let it dry for 1 to 2 days and then plant it directly into the compost. Keep it lightly moist but not soggy. Within a few weeks it will root and grow into a full plant. Leaf cuttings. Start by gently twisting off a healthy leaf from the main plant. Let it callus over for 5 to 7 days to prevent rot. Then place it on top of free drained compost and then spray to dampen every few days. In 2 to 3 weeks, tiny roots and new growth will appear. And here are some quick tips. Number 1, make sure you use free draining compost. Succulent roots don't like to sit wet. Number 2 is put it in a bright indirect sunlight location. And number 3 is when you propagate it in the spring or the summer, as that's their growing season. And that's it. Propagating sedums is a great, rewarding way to grow your succulents. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below your propagating stories.